Hey guys, what's up? My name is Raya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a inverted wing liner, which is the signature look by one of my favorite makeup artists, Spencer. So keep watching. First, I'm going to prep my skin. For that, I'm going to apply my favorite Neutrogena sunscreen slash moisturizer. You can apply any moisturizer that suits your skin type. Now I'm going to spray a soothing, hydrating aloe vera face mist all over my face. Next, I'm going to apply the primer from Sugar Cosmetics. It is their Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. I usually don't apply primer like a moisturizer and all over my face. Apply it mainly on the areas which tends to get really oily or has a lot of pores or get creases. So basically on my cheek, my nose, center of my forehead, under my eyes and on my smile lines. The final step of skin prep is applying the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. For foundation today we are going to use Rage for Coverage foundation from Sugar Cosmetics and my shade is 55 Americano. Usually I apply a color corrector before I apply my foundation on my hyperpigmented areas, but this foundation gives you a really good coverage and you don't really need to apply a separate product to color correct your hyperpigmentations or dark spots. If you still have any darker areas or any acne marks that are showing, you can go ahead and apply a little bit more on those specific areas like I am doing with a concealer brush. To conceal my under eye areas and to highlight my face, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 40 Breve. I'm going to apply it under my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, the bridge of my nose and on the center of my forehead. First I'm going to blend my chin, then the cupid bow, the nose area, and with a foundation brush I usually blend on the forehead area. I let the concealer sit for 2 minutes under my eyes so it can really capture my skin and then blend it with a concealer brush. I am also going to apply a little bit of the same concealer on my eyelids. To set my base makeup, I am going to use Sugar All Set to Go Translucent Powder. This small little cute white square puff is actually very useful and you can reach the corners of your eyes and the nose very easily. I am going to use a bigger fluffy powder brush to set the rest of my face and dust off the excess powder from under my eyes. For brows, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. First, I'm going to use the spoolie attached in the back to brush my eyebrows and then gently filling it in without going too heavy. Again, we are going to go ahead with the spoolie and brush it out to get rid of any harsh lines and make it look more natural and smooth. Now comes the main part, the main equipment that we need to create the reverse cat eye look. For that I'm going to use Sugar Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. This is their shade Blackout. So first I'm going to draw a line on my lower lash line. You can make it thinner or thicker according to your preference. With a small detailing brush, I'm going to smudge the kajal out. Now you don't want to apply the kajal on one eye, then go ahead apply it on the other eye and then come back to blend it, because the kajal will dry out and it will become very difficult to blend it out. So apply it on one eye, blend it and then move on to the next eye. While blending it, I'm going to slowly extend the kajal towards my inner corner and my outer corner, creating a small wing. You can make the wing as longer as you want, it completely depends upon your choice. You can also use any color like blue or dark green or brown, they will all look great. Apply the kajal on your waterline as well. Now I was supposed to actually do this step earlier, but no worries. I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 02 Warrior, and apply this lighter shade on all over my lids. Then take this terracotta brown shade and apply it on my crease and outer corner. We just want to create a little bit of depth so the eyelid doesn't look absolutely empty. This is an extra step, you can skip it if you want, but whenever I apply any kind of kajal or kohl pencil, I always go ahead and set it with a black eyeshadow as well, because it will make the color more intense, and also it will make sure that the kajal doesn't move all day long. I'm also going to apply the kajal on my upper waterline, which is also known as tight lining. I know I look very scary and weird while doing this, but bear with me. Now with the help of a pencil brush, we are going to take the same terracotta brown shade and apply it on our lower lash line so that we can create a more smoky kind of effect. Finally, we are going to apply a generous coat of Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black Beauty from Sugar Cosmetics. Don't forget to also apply a lot of mascara on your bottom lashes as well. Now this is also an optional step, but if you want, you can apply a little bit of a golden shimmery eyeshadow on your lid area to give it a bit more glow or shimmery effect. I did the other eye off camera, and now let's focus on the rest of the face. I'm going to use the Contour de Force face palette from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the shade Vivid Victory. Using the bronzing powder, I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my jawline and my forehead. I'm also going to contour my nose. I'm going to buff out the nose contour with a powder brush for a more natural effect. For blush, I'm going to mix the pink shade and the brown shade in the same palette because I don't want a very pinkish blushed look. Next up, highlighting. I'm going to highlight my face using the same palette. I'm going to apply the highlighter on my cheekbones, my cupid bow, chin area, nose bridge and my forehead. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone. For lipstick, I'm going to apply my favorite brown lipstick from the brand Chamber. This is the shade Truffle. I'm going to apply this all over my lips. And then go ahead and apply a pinkish nude shade from Colourpop in the shade Solo. I'm going to keep this pinkish nude shade on the center of my lip and then blend it out with my ring finger. Finally, I'm going to top it off with a clear gloss from PAC. Spray the MAC Prep and Prime Fixing Spray all over my face and we are done. That's it guys, this was my take on the inverted eyeliner look. It has the sultry, smoky, sexy effect that I absolutely love. So do try this look and post pictures and reels and videos of this look on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to tag me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.